Okay. Good morning to one and all. So, in the previous lecture of electrical machine first, we have discussed regarding 3-point starter. Okay. So, why it is called as 3-point starter? That is, this starter, it is having an 3 terminals or 3 point, like point A, point B, and point C. So, one of the positive terminal of the supply, it is connected to the terminal A, and the terminal B and C, there are armature and field of the machine, it can be connected. Okay. And the next terminal of that of armature and the field, it can be connected to the negative point of the supply or negative terminal of the supply. So that we are calling it as a 3-point starter, because there are 3 points. And I think all of you understand the working principle of 3-point starter. That means there are one of the hold on release is there. Again, there are one of the overload release is there. So this overload release, it will protect the machine from overcurrent. Okay. That means when overload on that machine is there, then current taken by the supply, it can be increased. And if this current, it is increased to that of predetermined value, okay, or the certain value, then the overload release, it will push off. Okay, it will push off a strip in the upward direction. That is this strip, it is in the upward direction. It will get the short circuit on the hold on coil. So if the short circuit across the hold on coil, it will be happen. So there is a no current flowing from hold on coil, and the flux production in the hold on coil or hold on coil, it is demagnetized, and it will release the handle. Hence the motor, it will be safe from this over voltage or overload, that means over current. So the motor protection, it can be provided over current protection. Now again, hold on release is there. So function of hold on release, or it may be low volt release, is that to hold the handle when the motor, it will be achieve its constant running position. When the motor, it will be achieving its running position, then we want to keep the handle at this position, or arm of that starter, it is at this position. So by applying a 3-point starter, we are safely starting a machine by limiting the starting current by inserting some of the series resistance in between armature circuit. Okay, armature circuit च्या series मध्ये आपण resistance insert केलाय. By gradually cutouting this resistor, we are increasing the current flowing from armature. Okay, and motor, it will be start safely to achieve the maximum speed, or it will be running at a rated current. Okay, so this is related to 3-point starter. Now one of the drawback or one of the disadvantages, that is one of the important disadvantages we have discussed related to 3-point starter, is that one of the disadvantages is that, so when the motor, it will be starting safely and it will be running and its constant position, at that situation the removed resistance in the armature circuit, and it is inserted in the series of that of field circuit. तो रेजिस्टन्स फील्डच्या सीरीज मध्ये कनेक्ट होतोय. ड्यू टू दॅट द फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द होल्ड ऑन कॉइल टू होल्ड द हँडल, that is force produced by hold on coil to hold the handle, it is not sufficient, or it is less as compared to that of spring force. That means handle comes in the backward position. Handle काय होतोय, backward position ला move होतोय. So this is one of the drawback because of insufficient force produced in the hold on coil. Okay, insufficient flux produced in the hold on coil. So the handle, it will be released by that of hold on coil because the force exerted on that handle due to the spring, it is greater than that of force exerted by that of hold on coil. Hold on coil ने जो काय exert केलेला force आहे, तो फोर्स हा स्प्रिंग फोर्स पेक्षा कमी असेल. सो दॅट ड्यू टू स्प्रिंग फोर्स इज मॅक्सिमम, द हँडल कम्स इट ॲज अ ऑफ पोजिशन, or the arm moves at its off position. See, in such a case, a certain value of reduced field current, the electromagnetic pull out of the holding coil may becomes less than the spring force. Okay, so spring force पेक्षा जो काय electromagnetic force असेल त्या hold on coil चा, it is less, so it will release the handle. तो handle काय होईल, release होईल. In such case the starter handle returns to the off position. Starter चा जो काय handle असेल, it will be returns or comes to the off position, and the motor it will start working. So this is one of the drawback of the 3-point starter. Now this drawback it will be overcome in the 4-point starter. So this is main important point. So one of the drawback in the 3-point starter, this can be overcome by using a 4-point starter. 4-point starter चा यूज करून काय केलंय, ओव्हरकम केलंय. Again, why it is called as 4-point starter, we will see. Because there are again 4 terminal or it may be 4 point, so that we can call it as a 4-point starter. Okay, so now we will discuss regarding 4-point starter. So see, this is the figure related to 4-point starter. Again, the basic difference in the circuit of 4-point and 3-point, if it is compared, basic difference between the 4-point and 3-point starter is that the holding coil is removed from the shunt field current and it is connected directly across the line with current limiting resistor. Only one difference is there. See, all of you visible this, no? Hey, visible hai na saglanna?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. See. One of the difference. See, again here are 4-point. Why it is called as 4-point? आपण 3-point मध्ये 3-point बघितलं. One positive terminal, it is connected to one terminal A. Negative next one terminal, that is B terminal, that is field terminal, and third one terminal is nothing but C terminal, is nothing but armature terminal. Okay, positive terminal it is connected to A terminal, then negative it is connected to combination of F2 and A2 in 3-point starter. 3-point starter मध्ये असं connection होतं. Now here this hold on coil, this one is the hold on coil, it is connected in a series with that of field coil in a 3-point starter. 3-point starter मध्ये जी काय hold on coil होती, this hold on coil it is connected in a series with that of field coil or field winding च्या series मध्ये connect केली. Now in case of 4-point starter, hold on coil or the holding coil, it is removed from the series field. This series field आहे, see here, this one is the series field. Okay, this one is the series field. Here it is series field winding is there. That is field winding is there, not a series field. Field winding is there. Now this field winding in 3-point starter, it is connected in series with that of this hold on coil. But in case of 4-point starter, this hold on coil is removed from this field. या फील्डच्या सीरीज मधून रिमूव्ह केले, and it is directly connected across the line with current limiting resistor. See, ही coil कुठं connect केले बघा, series field winding it is connected from here, that is field winding it is connected from here to here. Again one terminal it is taken from here, इथून एक terminal घेतलेला आहे, and in this terminal in series with that one of the hold on coil it is connected, hold on coil it is connected, and through one of the limiting resistance, this resistance it is nothing but limiting resistor. Okay, this resistance it is nothing but limiting resistor. So this hold on coil it is removed from that of field winding, that is in series with that of field winding, and it is connected directly across the line. The directly across the line la connect केले. So it is connected directly across the line by using one of the limiting resistor. So 1 point we are increasing here, that is another 1 point. Suppose this point is D. Now see, terminal A or point A, point B, point C in case of 3-point starter, and one of the additional point in the 4-point starter, it is nothing but point D, because we can call it as a 4-point starter, or so that we can call it as a 4-point starter. Getting why it is called as 4-point starter? लक्षात आलं का? Because there are 4 terminal. See, here it is one of the line terminal, here it is one of the field terminal is there, another one is armature terminal is there, and one of the extra terminal or the extra point is there. Suppose here it is N point, and in that hold on coil is connected in series with that of limiting resistor. So one point is increasing here, that is 4 point, so that we are calling it as a 4-point starter. So that we can call it as a 4-point starter. So all other operation are same, all other operations same आहे. See, one of the positive terminal of the supply, it is connected to one terminal A, or we are representing here L point la connect केले. Now from L it is connected to arm of that of starter, or it may be starter handle ला किंवा arm ला connect केले through one of the overload release. Here this one is the overload release is there, हा एक overload release है. In series with that of overload release or via one of the series of overload release, we are connecting it to the handle, or it may be arm. Okay, now again here one of the soft iron piece is there, एक soft iron piece connect केले to hold the handle. When it is a motor, it will be running position or it may be on position. Here it is one of the off position. Again there are one of the series resistances are connected, that is RS, and there are some of the studs are provided to gradually cut out the resistance. Gradually resistance cut out करायचे. Initially we are inserting maximum resistance in series with that of armature. आर्मेचरच्या सिरीज मध्ये आपण मॅक्झिमम रेजिस्टन्स कनेक्ट करणार इनिशियली. देन वी आर मूविंग द हँडल टू द राईट हँड साइड. वी आर ग्रॅज्युअली कट आउटिंग सम ऑफ द रेजिस्टन्स अँड वी आर इन्क्रीजिंग द करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द आर्मेचर. आर्मेचर मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट काय करतोय आपण, इन्क्रीज करतोय. अँड वी आर स्टार्टिंग द मोटर सेफली. नाउ सी, वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज देयर. अनदर वन डिफरन्स इज दैट in between 4-point starter there are one of the brass arc is connected. Okay, so this one is the one of the brass arc. So one of the brass arc, or we can call it as a brass strip is there. Okay, so this is connected here किंवा इथे एक अटॅच केलेली असेल. So this is the main difference between 3-point and 4-point starter. 3-point आणि 3-point आणि 4-point starter मध्ये हा सिंपल डिफरन्स आहे. एक फर्स्ट वन होल्ड ऑन कॉइल जी आहे ती 3-point मध्ये फील्ड वाइंडिंगच्या सिरीज मध्ये कनेक्ट केलेली आहे. ती इथं आपण ती सिरीज मधून रिमूव्ह करून डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करतोय लाईनला. हा एक फर्स्ट वन डिफरन्स. अँड सेकंड डिफरन्स इज दॅट हिअर आर वन ऑफ द ब्रास आर्क इट इज कनेक्टेड. याच्यामध्ये ब्रास आर्क कनेक्ट केलेले. ओके, सो गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट, हे लक्षात आलं का? प्लीज गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय. Hello, yes please, anyone?
Yes sir.
Okay, see, all other operation are same. Okay, so there are arm is there, one terminal, it can be connected to the top arm via one of the overload release. Now when we are starting the motor, that means we are moving handle from off position to the right hand side. आपण आता motor start करायचे. So see, when we are starting the motor, when we are starting the motor, that means we are moving the handle, and when we touches the handle with that of stud number 1, then the resistance it can be inserted in series with that of armature. At that situation, at the main situation, the field is also connected to the supply, as well as hold on coil it is also connected to supply. Okay, see, a 4-point starter, as the name suggests, that has a 4 main operational point. Okay, so it is having an 4 main operational point. One is nothing but L, that is line terminal connected to the positive of the supply. One, it is the line terminal, it is connected to the positive of the supply. Then second one, A, that is A terminal, it is connected, that is armature terminal, it is connected to the armature winding. This one is the second point. Now F, it is nothing but field terminal, it is connected to the field winding of the motor. Okay, now like in this case of the 3-point starter, and in addition to it there is a a 4-point N connected to the no volt coil NVC. No volt coil or it may be no volt release. त्याच्यामध्ये एक पॉइंट कनेक्ट केलेला आहे. सो दिस इज वन दी 4 पॉइंट. सो वी कॅन कॉल इट ॲज अ 4 पॉइंट स्टार्टर. त्याला आपण 4 पॉइंट स्टार्टर म्हणतो बिकॉज देयर आर 4 पॉइंट. 1 point it is connected to line. Then second point, it is nothing but field, where the field winding of the motor it can be connected. Then next one is nothing but armature terminal. This is the third point. And last one is nothing but we are representing N terminal. So this is connected to the hold on coil. Hold on coil la connect केले or no volt coil la connect केले. We can call it as a NVC also. No volt coil or no volt release. Okay. So this is just difference or 4 point. Why it is called as 4 point. Now see in the operation this drawback, that drawback I have already told, that is in 3-point starter, 3-point starter, the force exerted by the top hold on coil, it is not sufficient. It will be not sufficient to hold the handle, or it is less than that of spring tension or the spring force. So handle it will be return back to its off position. When the motor it will be safely starting and it is working condition, due to insufficient force, the handle it will be comes at the off position. This is the drawback, and this drawback it can be overcome by using 4-point starter. 4-point starter चा यूज करून हा ड्रॉबॅक काय केलेला आहे, फक्त ओव्हरकम केले. नाउ सी I think you all are understood this construction. हे construction लक्षात आलं का? Connection. Is there necessary to explain once again? I want to move to the working. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Construction लक्षात आले ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will see the working of this starter. See, construction मध्ये फक्त चेंज आहे, जी होल्ड ऑन कॉइल आहे ती सिरीज फील्ड मध्ये सॉरी फील्ड वाइंडिंग मधून रिमूव्ह केलेली आहे आणि ती सेपरेट कनेक्ट केलेली आहे. एवढाच डिफरन्स आहे आणि एक ब्रास आर्क कनेक्टेड. नाउ सी, when we are starting the motor, while starting the motor, first of all when this switch is closed, हे switch आपण close करणार, this switch is closed. Now when the switch is closed but handle is at off position, there is no connection between armature of the motor as well as field of the motor as well as hold on coil of the motor. Connection close nahi hai, so there is no current flowing from armature and no current flowing from field winding. So the current flowing from this is nothing but 0. या condition la, that is motor it is at standstill condition. When we start the machine, at that situation, that is we want to move this handle to the right hand side. हा जो काय handle आहे starter handle, it is moved to the right hand side. हा starter handle आपण right hand side ला move करणार. Now see, when handle it will connected to the stud number 1, or handle it will be reaches to the stud number 1. At that situation, the circuit it will be closed. Circuit काय will close will. Then this series resistance, that is RS, or it may be R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. So this is the series resistance RS. It can be connected in series with that of armature. बघा याचं connection, stud number 1 to this resistance, then this resistance R2, R3, R4 and R5 via it is connected like this. Again it is connected to armature. So a armature ला connect केले. When the handle it will be moved to the right hand side and it will connected to that of stud number 1. So at that situation, there is some current it will be flowing from that of armature circuit, and current it will be flowing from that of armature circuit via some of the resistance areas like R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 resistance. Okay, काही resistance insert होऊन त्याच्या सिरीज मध्ये resistance insert होऊन armature मधून काय होईल, current flow व्हायला start. Now see, at the same time this handle it will be touches to that of this brass arc. Okay, त्या same time ला हा जो काय handle आहे, handle चा जो काय connected terminal असेल, so this will be touches to that of brass arc. When this will be touches to that of brass arc, now the current flowing through that of supply सप्लाय मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट आहे, इट विल बी डिवाइड इंटू 3 पार्ट और इट विल बी फ्लोइंग इन द 3 टर्मिनल. 3 टर्मिनल मधून फ्लो होईल बघा. when this handle is at this position, ज्यावेळेस हँडल या पोझिशनला आहे. ओके, सो सी याचं कनेक्शन इथं आहे प्लस दिस ब्रास आर्कला आहे. करंट इथून इकडे फ्लो होईल. सिमिलरली करंट इट विल बी फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दिस brass arc via this brass arc. One of the current it will be flowing from this field winding. Suppose this is IF, and this current it will be flowing from some of the hold on coil. Hold on coil madun kaitari current flowing. So this current flowing from the supply kadun flow honara current, it will be divided into 3 point or it may be 3 part. 3 part madhe current divide will. One current it will be flowing from armature terminal or the armature of the motor. One current it will be flowing from field of the machine or the field winding of the machine, and then one current it will be flowing from that of hold on coil through one of the limiting resistor. Getting? हे लक्षात आलं? हॅलो, हे लक्षात आलं का?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सी करंट काय होतोय? डिवाइड होतोय when the handle it will be move and it will be connected to the stud number 1. Okay, when it is connected to stud number 1, at that situation the current it will be divided into 3 part. One current it will be flowing from one of the armature circuit via some of the series resistance. One current it will be flowing from that of field winding. काही current field winding मधून flow होईल, and one current it will be flowing from that of hold on coil through one of the limiting resistor. Okay, limiting resistance चा use केलेला आहे so that sufficient current it will be flowing from hold on coil. Now see, the field winding of the machine it should be excited at this point. या point ला machine ची field winding पण excite होईल. Similarly some of the current it will be flowing from armature circuit. Armature circuit मधून पण current flow होईल. So motor it will be start. Motor काय will start होईल. Okay, so motor it will be start running at somewhat speed. काहीतरी speed न motor काय will run होईल किंवा start होईल. Now when again we will move the handle to the right hand side. आपण परत handle right hand side ला move केला. At that situation when the handle it will be makes the contact with that of stud number 2. ज्यावेळेस handle stud number 2 ला contact करेल, at that situation this R1 resistance, this much amount of resistance it can be reduced. Okay, in the series field winding, this R1 resistance it can be connected in series with that of armature. त्याच्यामधून हा resistance काय होईल? Remove. When this resistance it can be cut out, it can be cut out from the armature circuit. So current in the armature circuit it will be increases. Armature circuit मधला current काय will increase will. Now similarly there is no any resistance in series with that of field as well as hold on coil. Yes, आहे का त्याच्या series मध्ये resistance? Hello, is there any resistance it will be present in series with that of field as well as hold on coil? आपण इन्सर्ट करतोय का काही रेजिस्टन्स सुरुवातीला? प्लीज गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय. क्वेश्चन लक्षात आलाय का माझं? इज देयर एनी रेजिस्टन्स इट कॅन बी कनेक्टेड इन सिरीज विथ दॅट ऑफ field and the hold on coil when we are moving from stud number 1 to 2. 1 to 2 पासून ज्यावेळेस मूव्ह होतोय त्यावेळेस काही रेजिस्टन्स फील्डच्या आणि नो व्होल्ट रिलीजच्या सिरीज मध्ये कनेक्टेड आहे का?
No, sir.
No resistance. Okay, that means current in the field as well as current in the hold on coil it remains constant. त्याच्यामधला जो काही करंट असेल it should be constant. त्याच्यामधला करंट काही चेंज होणार नाही. So see, but current it will be changing from armature circuit. Armature circuit madla current change will because we are reducing this amount of resistance or we are cut outing this amount of resistance. Now see, when again we move the handle to the right hand side, आपण परत right hand side ला handle move केला, when it will be makes contact with stud number 2, then this R1 and R2 resistance are cut out. R1 आणि R2 resistance जेवढा आहे तो cut out होईल. That means the current in the armature circuit it will be increases. When the current current in the armature circuit it will be increases, then the speed or the speed of the machine or motor it will be running in the maximum speed. Okay, motor's speed काय will automatic increase. Now similarly, when we make the contact with the stud number 4, again this resistance R1, R2 and R3 it will be cut out, hence the current in the armature circuit it will be increases. Again we make the contact with the top stud number 5, the R1, R2, R3 and R4 resistance it should be reduced or cut out. Then current in the armature circuit it will be increases, and when we reduces or we makes the contact with the top stud number this one stud number 6, suppose stud number 6 or the final stud, so your connection it will be like this, as a connection hoil. So handle is at this position, and at that situation current flowing through the armature circuit it is the rated current. Armature circuit madun flow होणारा current जो आहे, this is the rated current, or motor it will be start safely and it is running at its rated current. Similarly, at the same time current flowing from field it is also constant. याच्यामधून flow होणारा current constant आहे. Then current flowing from hold on coil it is also constant. Okay, it is also constant. So this iron piece it is attracted towards this this hold on coil because of sufficient electromagnetic force it will be produced in that of hold on coil. Hold on coil मध्ये sufficient amount of electromagnetic force काय होतोय produce होतोय, and it is greater than that of spring tension. इथं जी काही spring use केले, spring tension किंवा spring force पेक्षा हा force maximum आहे, so that handle it will not release until and unless supply goes off. Okay, handle it will not release the hold on coil until and unless your supply interruption is there, or it may be supply goes off there. So because of sufficient current flowing from that of hold on coil madun sufficient amount of current काय होते flow होते. And in case of 3-point starter मध्ये काय होत होतं, that is जेवढा रेजिस्टन्स आपण आर्मेचर मधला रिड्यूस करत होतो तेवढा रेजिस्टन्स फील्ड वाइंडिंगच्या सिरीज मध्ये ऍड होत होता. ड्यू टू दॅट insufficient current it will be flowing in the hold on coil, and the electromagnetic force exerted by that of hold on coil it is less as compared to that of spring tension, so it will release the handle at its off position, or it may be handle it will be removed or returned in the off position. So this is the drawback. It can be overcome by using a 4-point, by connecting hold on coil directly to the line circuit by using one of the limiting resistor. एक limiting resistor use करून काय केलेलं आहे, hold on coil चा एक separate terminal connect केलेलं आहे. So this is the 4th one point, and this is starter it is called as 4-point starter. Okay, this starter it is called as 4-point starter. Getting connection लक्षात घ्या आणि त्याच्यावरून ऑपरेशन लिहिता येतं. सो ऑपरेशन यू कॅन इझिली एक्सप्लेन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टँड द कनेक्शन. कुठून कुठं कनेक्शन केलेलं आहे अँड हाऊ द करंट इट विल बी फ्लोईंग. ड्यू टू सफिशियंट करंट इट विल बी फ्लोईंग इन दॅट ऑफ होल्ड ऑन कॉइल. द electromagnetic force exerted by that of hold on coil to hold this handle it is sufficient and it is greater than that of spring tension. Spring tension पेक्षा greater असेल. So handle it will not release until and unless supply it will be goes off or supply interruption is there. Okay, supply it will be goes off or the supply interruption is there. So this advantages of this 4-point starter and this disadvantages of 3-point starter it can be overcome by using 4-point starter. Okay, getting, is there any doubt? कोणाला काही डाउट आहे का याच्यामध्ये? अगेन remaining operation are same. I will explain remaining operation. बट इज देअर एनी डाऊट अप टू दिस? कोणाला काय डाऊट आहे काय याच्यापर्यंत? Please give me reply.
No, sir.
Okay. All operation are understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See now other operation, that is what is the function of this overload release. I have already tell in the 3-point starter also. Now also I am telling. See here it is one of the strip D it can be connected, or it is also called as leveler. Now one of the triangular iron piece, it can be connected on one terminal. When the current flowing through that of supply, or the current taken by the supply, when the load increases, ज्यावेळेस मोटरचा load increase होईल or motor gets overloaded, automatically supply current it will be increases. And when the supply current it will be increases from its predetermined value, that is supply current flowing from this terminal, it can be increases to that of predetermined value. So this predetermined value, it will be read by that overload release. Okay. And if the predetermined value is there, this strip or the leveler, it can be lifted upward direction. हा leveler काय होईल? Upward direction ला lift होईल. Okay. Due to current flowing from that of hold on release, current flowing from that of overload release, it is greater to that of predetermined value. Predetermined value पेक्षा त्याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट मॅक्झिमम होईल. ड्यू टू दॅट मॅक्झिमम करंट and due to electromagnetic force produced in that of overload release, it will be lifted this strip or D, or it may be leveler. हा strip D upward lift झाल्यानंतर here it is one of the triangular iron piece, it can be connected, and across this triangular iron piece the two terminals of that of hold on release, it can be connected. दोन टर्मिनल होल्ड ऑन रिलीज चे इथं आणलेले आहेत बघा. Here it is these two terminal, that is हे जे काय दोन टर्मिनल आहेत होल्ड ऑन रिलीज शॉर्ट सर्किट करण्यासाठी इथे एक दोन टर्मिनल कनेक्ट केले. when this leveler it can be lifted upward direction, it will get short circuited or it will be connected. इथं शॉर्ट सर्किट होईल, that means directly it will be here short circuit, इथं short circuit होईल. Okay, that means the short circuit it will be occur across the across that of short circuit, it is occurs across that of hold on coil. hold on coil चे across काय होते? short circuit होते. So when the short circuit it will be occurs across that of hold on coil, so current flowing from this it will be flows via a short circuited terminal. short circuited terminal मधून current flow होईल, and there is no current, or it may be minimum current, it will be flowing from hold on coil. hold on coil madun minimum or the zero current it will be flowing. So due to minimum current it will be flowing from the hold on coil, there is a no sufficient force, or the hold on coil it may get de-energized. hold on coil will de-energize will, due to de-energization there is a no electromagnetic force to attract this handle or to hold this handle, and this force it will not sufficient to the hold handle due to spring tension. That is spring tension it is more as compared to that of electromagnetic force, and handle it will be move or returns to its off position. handle काय होतोय? त्याच्या ऑफ पोझिशनला काय होतोय? रिटर्न होतोय. सो दिस इज सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन, or the motor it will be protected from the overcurrent. overcurrent पासून किंवा overload पासून मोटर काय होते? प्रोटेक्ट होते. So this is overload release, it will be provided for the protection purpose. Okay, so it will be provided for the protection purpose under overload condition, or it may be overcurrent condition. ओव्हरलोड किंवा ओव्हरलोड कंडिशनला मोटरला प्रोटेक्ट करण्यासाठी ओव्हरलोड रिलीज यूज केले. ओके, गेटिंग? हॅलो, हॅलो, गेटिंग नो?
सर रिपीट सांगा एकदा.
रिपीट सांगू? ओके. Okay, see connection बघा. This one is the one of the leveler, or we can call it as a D strip किंवा त्याला कॉन्टॅक्टर पण म्हणतो आपण. D strip आहे. So leveler, on that D strip one of the triangular iron piece it can be connected. याच्यामध्ये एक ट्रायंग्युलर आयर्न पीस कनेक्ट केले. याचं कनेक्शन बघा. सिमिलरली सपोज दिस इज द डी स्ट्रीप आणि याच्यामध्ये एक ट्रायंग्युलर आयर्न पीस कनेक्ट केले. ओके, आणि अबव दॅट there are two terminals it can be taken. These two terminal it can be connected, one across that of कुठे कनेक्ट केले. सपोज I will connect here across that of hold on coil. hold on coil चे across कनेक्ट केले. गेटिंग? हे लक्षात आलं? कुठे कनेक्शन आहे बघा याचं. इट विल बी कनेक्टेड हियर अँड इट विल बी कनेक्टेड हियर. ओके, ते दोन टर्मिनल, दोन वायर आपण घेतलेत. एक सप्लाय कडून म्हणजे होल्ड ऑन कॉइलच्या अक्रॉस कनेक्ट केले पॅरलल मध्ये. ओके, सी इट विल बी कनेक्टेड लाईक दिस. व्हेन द करंट फ्लोईंग फ्रॉम द सप्लाय, ज्यावेळेस ओव्हरलोड ऑकर होईल. ओव्हरलोड, मिनिंग ऑफ ओव्हरलोड इज नथिंग बट ओव्हर करंट. ज्यावेळेस ओव्हरलोड मोटरवरती द्याल तुम्ही, त्यावेळेस ऑब्वियसली मोटर इट विल बी टेक्स मॅक्झिमम करंट फ्रॉम द सप्लाय. मोटर काय करेल? मॅक्झिमम करंट सप्लाय कडून घेईल. ओके, व्हेन मोटर इट विल बी मोटर करंट इट विल बी इन्क्रीजेस. मोटरचा करंट इन्क्रीज होईल. ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन व्हेन दिस करंट इट कॅन बी इन्क्रीज टू दॅट ऑफ प्री डिटरमाइंड व्हॅल्यू. या रिले मध्ये एखादी प्री डिटरमाइंड व्हॅल्यू असेल. सपोज रिले ऍक्ट्स अप टू 12 एम्पियर. सपोज 12 एम्पियर आपण रिले सेटिंग केलेले आहे. रिलेची सेटिंग केलेली आहे 12 एम्पियर. above that of 12 ampere current relay it should be trip the motor. मोटरला काय करेल? ट्रिप करेल. सो त्याचं ऑपरेशन आहे. सो सी सपोज करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दॅट सप्लाय इट इज नथिंग बट 15 एम्पियर. सप्लाय कडून फ्लो होणारा करंट किती आहे? 15 एम्पियर. सो ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन when this current flowing from hold on overload release it is greater as compared to that of predetermined value. At that situation या कॉइल मध्ये प्रोड्यूस होणारा जो काही फ्लक्स असेल that is electromagnetic force it will be increases. So due to this increase the force, this strip it can be lifted upward direction. ही जी काही स्ट्रीप आहे ती अपवर्ड डिरेक्शनला लिफ्ट होईल, उचलली जाईल. ओके, it will be lifted to that of upward direction. When it can be lifted to that of upward direction, automatically हा ट्रायंग्युलर पोर्शन आहे. ओके, आणि हे दोन टर्मिनल आहे. ही लिफ्ट झाली स्ट्रीप. हे ट्रायंग्युलर पोर्शन इट विल बी लाईक दिस. हे काय येतील? सपोज ही ट्रिप वरती उचलली, हे ट्रायंग्युलर पोर्शन वरती उचल. सो ड्यू टू दिस ट्रायंग्युलर पोर्शन इट विल बी कनेक्टेड और इट विल बी टचेस टू दॅट ऑफ दिस टू टर्मिनल. या दोन टर्मिनलला काय होईल? टच होईल. बघा, ज्यावेळेस या दोन टर्मिनलला हा आयर्न पीस आहे किंवा एक आयर्न पीस इज नथिंग बट एक रिजिड बॉडी झाली. सो इट विल गेट शॉर्ट सर्किटेड. इथं काय झालं? ते दोन्ही टर्मिनल एक झाले ना, आयर्नला कनेक्ट झाले. सो दिस टू टर्मिनल आर शॉर्ट सर्किटेड. इथं शॉर्ट सर्किट म्हणजे या दोन टर्मिनल मध्ये शॉर्ट सर्किट झालं, बरोबर ना? सॉरी, हे कनेक्शन आपण चुकीचं घेतलं ना. जस्ट 1 मिनिट. ओके, इथे एक कनेक्शन आहे and another one connection it will be here, supply bus. Okay, so see when the short circuit it will be occur here. ज्यावेळेस इथे शॉर्ट सर्किट अक्रॉस ऑकर होईल, दॅट मीन्स हे शॉर्ट सर्किट या कॉइलच्या अक्रॉसच आहे ना, बरोबर ना? हॅलो,
यस सर.
हा, ओके, दॅट मीन्स शॉर्ट सर्किट इट विल बी ऑकर्स अक्रॉस दिस पॉइंट. बघा, जर शॉर्ट सर्किट ऑकर झालं, इकडून फ्लो होणारा करंट मॅक्झिमम शॉर्ट सर्किटेड टर्मिनल मधून फ्लो होईल का या कॉइल कडून फ्लो होईल? टेल मी, करंट कुठून फ्लो होईल? शॉर्ट सर्किटेड टर्मिनल मधून जास्त करंट फ्लो होईल का होल्ड ऑन कॉइल मधून मॅक्झिमम करंट फ्लो होईल? Please give me answer. Hello. My simple question is that maximum current, if the short circuit, it can be happen. Maximum current, it will be flowing from short circuited terminal or either from hold on coil. Couldn't maximum current flow?
Short circuited terminal.
Obviously, maximum current, it will be flowing from short circuited terminal. Short circuited terminal मधून maximum current flow in, because हे डायरेक्ट शॉर्ट सर्किट झालेलं आहे, याच्यामध्ये रेजिस्टन्स नाहीये, त्याला अपोजिशन नाहीये, डायरेक्ट शॉर्ट सर्किट हॅपन झाले आणि ते सडनली झाले. ओके, सो ड्यू टू दॅट शॉर्ट सर्किटेड टर्मिनल, द मॅक्झिमम करंट इट विल बी फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दिस. याच्यामधून जर मॅक्झिमम करंट फ्लो झाला तर हे डायरेक्ट बायपास झालं ना. येस नो. ह्या कॉइल मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट कमी झाला, म्हणजेच इकडून आलेला सप्लायचा करंट डायरेक्ट बायपास झाला, इकडे फ्लो होण्यापेक्षा इकडे फ्लो झाला. बरोबर ना. सो करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम होल्ड ऑन कॉइल, करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम होल्ड ऑन कॉइल, इट इज मिनिमम और इट मे बी झिरो. मिनिमम असेल किंवा झिरो असेल. ड्यू टू मिनिमम करंट, आता या कॉइल मधला करंट मिनिमम आहे और झिरो करंट आहे, ही कॉइल ऑटोमॅटिकली इट विल गेट डी एनर्जाइज. त्याच्यामध्ये फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस होतील का? हॅलो.
No, sir.
नो फ्लक्स इट विल बी प्रोड्यूस. जर त्याच्यामध्ये फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस होत नसतील तर तो आयर्न पीस त्याच्याकडे अट्रॅक्ट होईल का?
No, sir.
ओके, दॅट मीन्स ऑटोमॅटिकली आयर्न पीस जर नाही होल्ड केला तर आयर्न पीस या स्प्रिंग टेन्शन मुळे, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्प्रिंग टेन्शन, हा हँडल परत माघारी ऑफ पोझिशनला येणार आहे. यस. इथलं जर अट्रॅक्शनच नसेल, म्हणजे इथं सफिशियंट फ्लक्सच नाहीये, सफिशियंट फोर्सच नाहीये, दॅट इज इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक फोर्स, बट हा स्प्रिंगचा फोर्स आहे त्या हँडल वरती. ड्यू टू दॅट स्प्रिंग फोर्स, द हँडल इट विल बी रिटर्न बॅक, हँडल इट विल बी रिटर्न बॅक टू इट्स ऑफ पोझिशन. Handle it will be returned back to its off position. Then that is the protection is provided under overcurrent or overload condition. ज्यावेळेस overload किंवा overcurrent होईल, at that situation protection it should be provided by using overload release, by using overload release. Okay, so I think all of you understand. हे लक्षात आलंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I think I will give an example, not a DC motor, but in generally in your agriculture field, आपली शेती पंपाची जी काय मोटर आहे, sometimes we are starting, that is आपला जो काय DOL स्टार्टर असतो त्याचं बटन आपण ऑन करतो, but suddenly motor get trip. मोटर काय होते? suddenly trip होते. So this is the same, that is initially current taken by the motor. काहीतरी मोटरमध्ये वाइंडिंग फॉल्ट झालेला असेल किंवा कुठला फॉल्ट झालेला असेल, सप्लाय कडून येणारा जो काही करंट असेल तो मॅक्झिमम घेते मोटर. सो ड्यू टू दॅट मॅक्झिमम करंट आपण रिलेची सेटिंग करतो. आय थिंक यू पीपल नो, आपला DOL स्टार्टर असेल, DOL स्टार्टर मध्ये रिले सेटिंग असते 9-14, 9-22 किंवा 14-22, 14-21. माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला? बघितलेत का DOL स्टार्टर? डायरेक्ट ऑनलाईन स्टार्टर बघितलेत ना? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
हा, दॅट मीन्स वी आर डुईंग अ रिले सेटिंग. आपण एक रिले सेटिंग करतो अकॉर्डिंग टू मोटर रेटेड करंट. मोटरचा रेटेड करंट 10 एम्पियर असेल तर आपण मॅक्झिमम रिले सेटिंग अप टू 10 और 11 एम्पियर. सपोज 11 एम्पियरला मी रिले सेटिंग केली आणि मोटर मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट जर 12 एम्पियर चालला. कधी 12 एम्पियर होईल? वेन द मोटर वाइंडिंग फॉल्ट इज देअर. मोटरचा वाइंडिंग फॉल्ट झालेला आहे, as well as motor bushing fault is there. That means मोटरची बुशिंग गेली असेल, बुशिंग गेली की ऑटोमॅटिकली किंवा बेरिंग जर गेलेली असेल तर मोटर रोटेट व्हायला काय होईल? ड्यू टू बेरिंग फॉल्ट, द मोटर रोटेशन इट विल बी समवॉट प्रिव्हेन्शन टू दॅट ऑफ मोटर रोटेशन. दॅट मीन्स ओव्हरलोड. त्याचाच अर्थ काय झाला? ओव्हरलोड झाला. ओके, सो दिस ड्यू टू दॅट ओव्हरलोड, the current taken by the supply मोटरनं सप्लाय कडून घेतलेला करंट इन्क्रीज होतो. जर बघितलं असेल तर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल, जर बुशिंग फॉल्ट झाला मोटरचा, बुशिंग फॉल्ट मुळे मोटर मॅक्झिमम करंट घेते किंवा करंट इट विल बी इन्क्रीजेस. नॉर्मल रनिंग कंडिशनला जर तुमची मोटर 9 एम्पियर करंट घेत असेल, इफ देअर आर बुशिंग फॉल्ट इज देअर, at that situation motor it will be take somewhat 2 to 3 ampere current it will be increases. Suppose it will take 12 ampere. Okay, 12 ampere current घेत असेल and your predetermined value it is nothing but 11 ampere. This current it will be increases and due to that, due to this operation motor it will be get trip. आपण मोटर स्टार्ट करतो आणि परत मोटर काय होते, ट्रिप होते. Okay, so we are seeing that our motor fault is there somewhat, so we don't try again. आपण परत ट्राय करत नाहीये. So because of some of the motor fault is there, that means, and this operation it will be like this. Due to overcurrent, relay read the value. If the value it should be greater than that of predetermined value, predetermined value पेक्षा जास्त value flow झाली किंवा जास्त करंट फ्लो झाला, automatically this strip it will be attracted upward or lifted upward. Then the strip it will be lifted in the upward direction. Due to this triangular iron piece it will be get short circuited the hold on coil. Hold on coil काय करेल, short circuit करेल and automatically de-energize the hold on coil. If the hold on coil it will get de-energized, automatically handle it will be move at a off position. Okay, in case of this 4-point starter. I think all of you understand this. Is there any doubt? आणखी कोणाला काही डाऊट आहे का याच्यामध्ये?
No, sir.
Okay. So see the remarkable difference. I have already tell, but just I will see this. Tell this. The remarkable difference in case of 4-point starter is that the no volt coil is connected independently. No volt coil independently connect केले आपण. So in case of this no volt coil it can be connected independently. It is removed from the supply across the supply through the 4th terminal called N, in addition to that of F and A. As a direct consequence of that, any change in the field supply current does not bring about any difference in the performance of NVC. Field coil मधला किंवा field current मधला काही change झाला तर there is no difference in the current flowing from NVC. No volt coil मधून flow होणारा current वरती काही difference होत नाही. So thus it must be ensure that no volt coil always produce a force which is strong enough. म्हणजे जो इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक फोर्स नो वोल्ट कॉइल प्रोड्यूस करते, इट इज स्ट्रॉंग इनफ अगेंस्ट that of spring force to hold the handle in the run position against the spring force under all operational condition. So such a current is adjusted through no voltage coil with the help of fixed resistance. त्याच्यामधला resistance fix आहे, that is limiting resistance, so that we are not varying this resistor. So we are there is no current change in that of no volt coil, so current remains fixed. So current remains fixed, that means the electromagnetic force produced by that hold on coil, it is fixed, and it will sufficient to hold the handle. Okay, it is sufficient to hold the handle in the running position against that of spring tension, so that this drawback of 3-point starter, that is 3-point starter drawback, it can be overcome in case of 4-point starter. 4-point starter मध्ये हा जो काय 3-point starter चा drawback आहे तो काय केलाय, overcome केलाय. So this is just related to that of 4-point starter, and their operation and working. Now see, apart from this above discussion, the 4-point and 3-point starter are similar. As I have already told, apart from this, the 3-point and 4-point starter are similar. in all other ways, like possessing is a variable resistance, possessing is a variable resistance integrated into a number of section as shown in this figure. That is, we are providing a series resistance by providing some of the studs. So the contact point of this section are called as stud and are shown separately as of 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as run. Okay, so हे जे काय स्टड आहेत हे सेपरेटली आपण दाखवले होते. त्याच्यामध्ये ऑफ नंबरचा स्टड असेल, 1 number stud, 2, 3, 4 as well as 5, 6, or it may be run position, that is high last position, over which the handle is free to be maneuvered manually to regulate the starting current with gathering the speed. Starting current आपण काय करतोय, रेग्युलेट करतोय by gradually cutouting the resistance. We are increasing the current flowing from armature. When current flowing from armature, it should be increases, then the automatically speed of the motor, it should be increases. Now to understand its way of operating, let us have a closer look at the diagram given above. Considering that supply is given and the handle is taken, stud number 1, then the circuit is complete and the line current that start flowing through the starter. In this situation, we can see that current will be divided into 3 parts. 3 part मध्ये current divide होतोय. So these are the following part. I have already told. One part flows through the starting resistance to the armature. Starting resistance through armature ला current flow होतोय. Then second part flowing through the field winding EF. Field winding EF मधून flow होतोय. And the third part, it will be flowing through the no volt coil in series with that of protective resistance R. Okay, हे मी already तुम्हाला explain केलं. So this current, it will be flowing in the 3 direction. One is flowing from armature via some of the series resistance. One is flowing from it can be flowing from field winding. There is no some of the resistance, it can be connected in series. Then third current, it will be flowing from no volt release in series with that one of the limiting resistor, or it may be protective resistance R. It can be connected in series with that of voltage coil. Okay, no volt coil मध्ये, no volt coil च्या series मध्ये काय केलं, one of the limiting resistance, it can be connected. Okay, so is there any doubt? काय doubt आहे कोणाला? Is there any doubt? Please give me reply.
No, sir.
Okay, so in this way we will conclude this today's lecture and we will stop here. Thank you.